Welcome back. In this tutorial, I would like to share with you an awesome Chrome extension tool that built on top of ChatGPT. This tool was initially built for SEO purposes. However, recently they added more and more features. If you are looking for SEO tool, this is the best extension tool that you can get, and most importantly, it's free. If you have experience with ChatGPT, you should know that it's not just putting random text here, but the better your prompt is, the more accurate result you will get. So in order to fully utilize ChatGPT, getting the right prompt has become extremely crucial. So in this tutorial, I would like to share with you this free-to-use Chrome extension tool. The name of the tool is called AiPRM. And it's the first one appear in the list. Now let's add it to Chrome. Once we add it will redirect us to ChatGPT. And we have to accept the terms and conditions to use its services. Once we confirm, you can see that there are additional blocks showing in ChatGPT. And each of the block represent one services that this extension tool provides. And in this tutorial, we will be focusing on SEO related feature. So the feature that I would like to share with you is called keyword strategy. So now I will select this feature, and in the prompt below, we are required to enter a keywords. So here I will write build a website using ChatGPT as my keyword. Once we submit, as you can see, ChatGPT actually generated a table. And in the table, we have different content, keywords, title, and meta description. And the most powerful thing about this tool is that it generates the search intent for the keyword. If you're familiar with SEO, search intent is the term used to describe the purpose of an online search. It's the main goal of user to search for this term. Some results could be transactional, some could be informational. Depends on your product, you can pick different keywords, different title, and even meta description, as long as the search intent fits your product value. So this is the result of keyword research feature in this Chrome extension tool. Now let's start a new chat and pick another feature. This feature is also crucial for SEO. So if you ever research about SEO, you will know that there are two major influential factors, which is meta description and keywords, or they call it as tag. So the next feature I would like to show is called keyword generator. Again, for the prompt, I will write build a website using ChatGPT. And as you can see, ChatGPT started generating keywords. And by embedding these keywords in your content or product, it will make your content rank higher in the search results. Again, I have to mention that the algorithm for search engine is constantly evolving. There is no single formula to win in SEO. But what we can do is to improve our keywords and meta description according to the trend to make sure that our content or product stays competitive in search result. With using this Chrome extension tool, we don't have to research what is the current trend. This tool that built on top of ChatGPT will do the job for us. Here comes to the end of the tutorial. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next tutorial.